Hi, I'm Dave the Tech Dad. Welcome to my channel. In today's introductory video, I'll be going over what to expect in my future videos. Hopefully you'll find it interesting and come along for the ride. I love tech. My love of tech started in primary school, reading about Commodore 64s and Sinclair ZX Spectrums in newspapers and magazines. Then we had micro:bit computers introduced to our school when I was in Year 5 with those lovely orange and black screens. In high school, my mum bought us a Commodore Amiga computer, and from then on, I was hooked. Over the years, I've built many PCs, I've supported family and friends with their tech issues, and have become a real tech jack of all trades. Along with this, I started my corporate career in IT, where I have worked in IT for over 17 years, mainly for large Aussie banks, plus a 3-year stint with the worldwide IT giant HP. During those years, I've had many roles, ranging from help desk to infrastructure roles, to being a team leader, and later managing a technology rollout for the bank's entire branch network. In most of my roles, I've ended up being the official or unofficial trainer for those teams. That's where this channel was born from. I've always loved sharing my tech knowledge with others, and YouTube can help me share my knowledge with a larger audience. I plan to cover a wide range of tech on this channel: computers, networking, mobile phones, applications, web technologies, Internet of Things like Google Assistant and Alexa. I'll be doing tutorials, reviews, how-tos, and tips and tricks videos. This won't be jargon heavy, and you won't need a degree in IT to understand what I'm talking about. Everything will be explained at a relaxed pace and in simple, regular language. There will be a need for a bit of IT jargon here or there, but I'll keep it to a minimum and I'll explain what it means. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please subscribe to my channel and join my journey. I'm Dave the Tech Dad, and I'll see you in the next video.